Welcome to math class. Today's math lesson is called Make an Animal, and this is our math task number 2. Our learning objective is I can make sense of problems and solve them. I can explain how I solve problems.
Hi, first grade. Welcome to math class. Today for class, you're going to need 3 animals. This sheet of paper is attached to the resources for today. If you print this out, you'll need to cut the animal parts apart. If you don't have a printer, don't worry about it. You can draw your animals and cut your animals apart into 3 parts. You're going to need 1 duck, 1 horse, and 1 giraffe. So stop the video here. Take a minute to draw 1 duck, 1 horse, and 1 giraffe. You might want to get a grown-up to help you today because you're going to need to make sure you have enough space for your animal. Your animal is big enough that you have a head, a body, and legs. Pause the video here and come on back when you're ready. Welcome back. Today's math lesson is a problem for you to solve. Woodland Zoo is holding a contest to discover the best new animal. This animal must be 1 part duck, 1 part horse, and 1 part giraffe. You can only use 1 part from each animal, and each part needs to be in the right place. That means heads are up the top, bodies are in the middle, and feet are at the bottom. Your job today is to figure out how many different combinations of animals could you enter into the contest, and then which animal would be your favorite, and what are you going to enter into the contest? You're going to need to organize your thinking. So I'm going to give you 1 suggestion. You can organize your thinking any way you want. But I'm going to show you the way to make a graph that could be a way to organize our thinking. I know my animal needs a head, so I'm going to put head, H for head. My animal needs a body, so I'm going to put B for body. And my animal needs feet, so I'm going to put F for feet. And now I'm just going to kind of draw some lines. 3, 4, I don't know how many combinations I can make. I haven't figured it out yet. Okay? So as you begin, you'll want to write what you're making. So if you use a duck head, put a D here. We'll do that up here. D equals duck, H equals horse, and G equals giraffe. So if I'm going to use a duck head, I'm going to put a D here, and then whatever the body is, I'll put the letter here. And then whatever feet I'm using, I'll put here. Remember, our heads always need to be at the top, no matter what head it is, if it's a duck head or a horse head or a giraffe head. Bodies need to be in the middle. You can mix them all up, but you need the body parts in the middle. And the feet, you're going to mix up all the feet, but the feet need to go down here. So see if this graph helps you organize your thinking to find out how many different ways how many combinations do you have with your 3 body parts, and you're going to mix them all up to see which different kinds of animals you can make. To submit your lesson, you can click Submit Assignment in the upper right hand of Schoology, and you can either take a picture of your graph, or you can just type your answer in the box. Tell us how many combinations you got and which one was your favorite combination. You can also record your voice or take a video of yourself explaining your thinking. And we'd love to hear your thinking about how many combinations you were able to make and which animal was your favorite. All right, have fun solving this problem. Bye.